Despite being a girl, you are committing theft? And I was only...
It's a fake diamond.
Oh, hey.
It's fake.
Duplicate?
Wonderful. Excellent. I had heard a lot about the Black Thief. And you are exactly like that. No one else can differentiate between the original and fake better than you.
Who are you?
An honest man.
Since when did honest men start looking for thieves?
You are cunning and also sensible.
I'm also in a hurry. See you later.
Don't you want to know why an honest man wants to meet you?
I'm not interested in meeting honest men like you.
You must be interested in 10,000 gold coins, mister. I was sure that only a thief would stay back after being offered money.
You'd obviously know. After all, only a thief understands another.
I'm not a thief.
You should rather say you're a thief, but not an ordinary one.
If your opponent is sensible, it feels good to have a discussion.
Now I also understand. Since you have come here, it means that I have to steal something from you. But what?
By next Friday, you have to steal something for me. And meet me behind the Black Mountain.
But what do I have to steal?
Something that no one has been able to steal on this one. A land.
Years ago, uncle and aunt made me steal money for mother's medicines. But today, just because of them, the son of the most virtuous woman in this world has become the biggest thief in Baghdad. Holy Mother of God! What is this? A half-burnt map? The noble man who gave me this map is very strange. He wants me to find the location with half map? How is this possible? This map appears to be a puzzle to me. Either someone who is very intelligent who can solve it, or...
Hey, Rahim! Hey, what is this?
This is a strange device made by Mr. Bulbul.
Uncle Bulbul! Every problem solution. God knows what would I have done in life without him. Wow!
Aladdin? As soon as I see you, I become very excited. Would you like to have some kawa?
Uncle Bulbul? No, Uncle Bulbul. If I could get some water, then.
Yes. Yeah. Here you go.
What is this?
It's a concoction that cleans water. My intelligent boy, just tell me one thing. What brings you over here?
I have a map with me. I want you to help me understand the same.
Show me the map then.
This is the one. Uncle, I have to find this lamp at any cost possible. Uncle Bulbul, this is the only way to provide mother with every happiness possible. Please help me, Uncle Bulbul.
You have given me an opportunity to try something new, my boy. Wait.
What is this?
This is the future. Someday, every person in the world will use it. People will click pictures with it. They'll see the pictures on it and talk to each other. They'll hold it. They will hold it like this. They'll tilt their heads while walking. Mama, how are you? Daddy, how are you?
What is this?
Funtru. Yes,
But Uncle Bulbul, how will this solve my problems?
it contains a map also.
Map? The Maghreb Desert? Holy Mother of God! Uncle Bulbul, this is working!
My boy, the Maghreb Desert is the most dangerous place in the world. Be very careful.
Uncle Bulbul, my mother's blessings are there to protect me, don't worry. I will be safe. Aladdin will go there and return absolutely safe.
Listen, you must keep this device under moonlight for 3 hours every day. Otherwise, it will not work.
Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye, Aladdin.
Aladdin? Are you all set to leave? Now will you tell me where are you going?
Actually, Mom, all you need to know is that I'll be back soon. And I will bring lots of happiness in your life.
I understood. You don't want to tell me because you think that your mother cannot keep a secret.
Mom!
Listen, nobody can keep a secret from me for long. You don't take bath for 4 days in winters. I never told this to anyone. You leave the house wearing these good clothes, but inside you wear a torn underwear. Did I ever tell this to anyone? You used to wet the bed until you were 12. Did I tell anybody about it?
Now everyone knows everything, Mom. Now let's go. Mom,
Yes.
all you need to know is that I've been assigned a task, and if I'm able to complete it,
Then
be assured we will have our own elephants.
do you even know how much these elephants eat? They even excrete a lot. Even if you scold them, they grin with their teeth out. They're shameless. Aladdin, this lane is so narrow. If you keep an elephant here, where will Mr. Shambhu keep his goats?
It was an item, Mom. By elements, I mean, we are gonna be rich.
Really? How rich? Will we be so rich that we can fix all your torn clothes?
Rich enough to not repeat the same outfit again.
Really? Listen. I hope you're not doing anything wrong like that black thief, alright? Listen, you shouldn't tarnish Ibn Battuta's name because...
Because he was our ancestor.
Yes.
Mom, have faith in me.
My dear child, had your father been here, he would have been so happy. He would have been proud of you. He would have been delighted to know that we are about to be rich.
Mom, shh, quiet. Someone might hear us. Mom, nobody should know that I've been assigned such a task. And also that we are going to become rich. Right now, you just pray that I complete it successfully.
Hey, listen.
Brother, my brother! Your game got over even before it started.
What happened, sir?
What does this bag contain?
These are clothes
Whose clothes?
for my work.
What kind of work do you do? Thief?
These kind of things are long gone.
Despite being a grown-up guy, you can't talk properly. Whatever it is, just be careful. I just came here to tell you that your clothes might fall.
Thank you. Forgive me, Mother. I know it. How much you hate the black thief. You're gonna hate me when you get to know that I'm the one. Don't know what am I gonna do then. No. I won't let that happen. This would be my last robbery. Last theft. With this, I'll make enough money to provide you a comfortable life forever. Then I'll never wear the outfit of this black thief again. Never ever.
The outfit of black thief isn't that bad. I actually look slim in these black clothes.
But princess, while you are dressed as the black thief, what if the guards catch you then?
If they were capable enough to catch the black thief, then I would not be wearing this outfit. Piddi, a princess has many boundaries to restrict her. But when I wear this outfit, I feel I am free. I can fight for the poor. I can provide them justice. I feel liberated when I wear this outfit.
But you know what, princess? I think you should wait for your father to return from Hindustan.
No, Piddi. You know that father remains ill these days. I can't cause him another trouble. He is getting treated in Hindustan. Until then, I want to gather some strong evidence.
Princess? Princess, at least you should inform Minister Zafar.
He is very loyal to my father. But he has also got other things to take care of. Moreover, I will be the queen of Baghdad one day. And someday I will have to run Baghdad, right? So why not start from today?
Okay, princess, tell me, where are you going tonight?
I am going to interrogate Salim Khilji as it was his duty to safeguard the blue diamond. I got to know that he owns a horse stable in the outskirts of the town. That's where he can be found.
The desert is so vast. How will I be able to cross it? Little happiness and little sadness. Be it a game of chess or a long journey, a horse is needed. Farmer cherishes his hand plowing machine, and I can get a horse from Salim Khilji's stable. My luck is playing strange games. How to select the right horse for myself? Oh my god. This horse appears to be decent. Horse, will you come with me? I'll get you married to a nice mare. Huh? Well, what is your name, Basanti? Basanti? Shh. Let's go. You?
Are you stalking me?
No, you are walking ahead of me.
What are you doing here?
Me? I'm here to see some dance.
I don't have time to entertain your stupidity. You thief?
Oh, okay, alright. If I'm a thief, then you're not a princess, alright? Look, Basanti, not all ladies are innocent like you.
Help me! Help me! Help me! Someone please help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Someone please help me! Help me!
Gulbadan?
My brother, save me! Save me! Please save me!
Catch him and bring him to me!
Mother's happiness and the lamp are waiting for us, Basanti. Let's go, Basanti. You must save Aladdin's honor.
This is not my bag. Thief, thief, thief! I must follow the black thief and bring my bag back. I won't spare the black thief.
No matter how many problems I get to face, I'm gonna get the lamp anyway.
As long as I, the protector of the lamp, is there, if anyone tries to obtain the lamp, then instead of the magical lamp, he will be rewarded with death.